Hamster Combat Daily Zipper for July 20, 2024. Words for today, it's called bacon. The first word is letter B. Need natin ang dash, dot. And then, second word is letter E. Isang dot lang. Yan. The third word is letter A. Need natin ang dot, dash. Then, the third word, which is letter C, need natin ang dash, dot, dash, dot. Then, the fifth word, which is O, need natin ang dash, dash, dash. And then, for the last word, which is letter N, need natin ang dash, dot. Yan. Yan. Take the prize na